When it comes to reality television, the unscripted nature of the dialogue is often what makes viewer feel so connected to the cast members. On TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters, fans tune in not just for the shocking weight loss journeys, dramatic family arguments, or emotional breakdowns, but also or the unfiltered and frequently hilarious way the Slayton sisters and their relatives express themselves. Tammy Slayton and Amy Slayton Halterman are known for saying whatever is on their minds, even if it comes out a little mixed up, mispronounced, or completely grammatically incorrect. Over the years, their colorful word choices and slip-ups have turned into unforgettable catchphrases that fans quote and meme across social media. These expressions may not always make perfect sense, but that's exactly why they are so entertaining. From exaggerated country slang to offbeat misunderstandings of common sayings, the 1000 LB Sisters cast has delivered some of the funniest lines in reality TV history. Part of the appeal of the Slayton sisters is their authenticity. Viewers know they are not watching polished Hollywood stars with scripted dialogue. They are watching real people from Kentucky whose way of speaking is rooted in their upbringing, family dynamics, and rural culture. Their words often come out raw, unfiltered, and occasionally misused, but they also reveal the charm and humor that has kept audiences laughing season after season. Fans adore these quirky expressions because they show the sisters' personalities in a way that no producer could manufacture. Whether Tammy is misusing a phrase to shut down an argument, Amy is blurting out a word salad of funny confusion, or Chris Combs is making a hilarious country-style mispronunciation, the Slayton family keeps their viewer entertained with language alone. One of the most famous expressions that fans can never forget came when Tammy attempted to sound serious but ended up inventing a completely new way of phrasing her frustration. The phrase was delivered with full confidence, even though the words strung together didn't exactly line up with reality. Fans immediately clipped the moment and shared it across TikTok and Twitter, turning it into an instant meme. This kind of slip-up shows why the sisters are so beloved. They don't care if they get something wrong, they lean into the humor of the moment, sometimes even doubling down on their own statements. Amy, on the other hand, has always been quick with comical expressions that sound like they could come straight from a child's imagination. Whether she is describing her pregnancy cravings, joking about her love for junk food, or trying to deliver a serious point during a heated family discussion, her words often tumble out in unexpected ways. Fans love the innocence and absurdity of Amy's expressions because they highlight her good-natured personality. She has a way of making mistakes that don't come across as embarrassing but instead as heartwarming and hilarious. Chris Combs, the sisters' half-brother, has also contributed his fair share of incorrect sayings, usually mixed with his unique Kentucky sense of humor. His phrases tend to sound like folk wisdom gone wrong, as if he's trying to quote an old country saying but ends up twisting it into something completely different. Fans online have joked that Chris is like a walking meme generator, and his expressions always add to the comedy of the show. Even when the scenes are serious, Chris often delivers an accidental punchline that breaks the tension and gives fans a reason to laugh. Amanda Halterman, another family member who has become a fan favorite, brings her own style of fiery misstatements to the table. Known for her blunt personality and no-nonsense attitude, Amanda often blurts out incorrect words in the heat of the moment. Because she speaks with so much intensity, her mistakes come across as even funnier. Fans often point out that Amanda doesn't even seem to realize when she mixes up her phrases, which only makes the moments more iconic. Her fierce delivery ensures that even her verbal slip-ups are remembered long after the episodes air. Another layer to these incorrect expressions is how fans latch onto them. Viewers often repeat the sisters' funniest lines on social media, turning them into memes, gifs, and trending hashtags. It has become part of the culture of watching 1000 LB Sisters. You don't just watch the show, you quote it. Entire fan pages are dedicated to archiving the funniest lines, and some phrases have become so popular that new fans recognize them before even watching the show itself. This phenomenon proves that the cast's words resonate far beyond the TLC audience. They have become part of internet humor. What makes these hilarious expressions even more powerful is that they humanize the cast. Instead of being distant reality TV figures, Tammy, Amy, and their family come across as relatable and approachable. Everyone has had moments where they say something that doesn't quite make sense. The difference is that most people don't have millions of fans watching, rewatching, and quoting those mistakes. The Slayton family has embraced their role as entertainment icons, allowing their slip-ups to become a key part of the 1000 LB Sisters brand. Some of the expressions also reveal deeper layers of the family's relationships. For example, when Tammy or Amy blurts out something incorrect during a fight, it often highlights their frustration or inability to express their emotions clearly. Instead of communicating perfectly, they resort to dramatic, funny, or clumsy wordplay. This creates moments that are both real and comedic, giving fans insight into the personalities of the cast while also keeping the tone light-hearted. Even during heavy scenes about health struggles, surgery, or family conflict, a misplaced phrase can completely change the mood and remind fans that humor is part of how the Slaytons cope with life's challenges. Over the seasons, fans have debated which incorrect expressions are the funniest. Some argue that Tammy's confidence when she delivers completely wrong phrases makes her the queen of accidental comedy. Others believe Amy's childlike innocence gives her the crown for most hilarious expressions. Still, others point to Chris and Amanda as underrated stars of unintentional comedy. No matter who wins the title, one thing is certain, the Slayton family's incorrect expressions are part of what makes the How unforgettable. As the series continues, fans eagerly await the next viral expression. Every season brings fresh dialogue, and viewers are quick to jump on any funny misstep. In an age where reality TV stars often try to appear polished, the raw and unfiltered words of the Slayton family are refreshing. They prove that being authentic, even if it means getting things hilariously wrong, is more powerful than being perfect. The sisters' most incorrect expressions have become part of pop culture, solidifying 1000 LB Sisters as not just a show about weight loss, but also a source of endless entertainment. In the end, the humor of these incorrect expressions shows why fans love the Slayton family. Their words may not always follow grammar rules or common sayings, but they come from a place of honesty, personality, and emotion. Each misstep reveals who they are, flawed, funny, and unapologetically themselves. These moments may not have been planned, but they have become some of the most iconic in reality TV. The 1000 LB Sisters cast has proven that sometimes the funniest and most memorable lines come not from carefully crafted scripts, but from the hilarious mistakes of real life. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.